Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the negative graffiti 3 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then locate the negative graffiti 3 effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to bring it to the point where my sister misses the catch of the phone. And now we can go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color of the effect, right? So it doesn't really do that much when you mess with it. Mess with the glow. We can increase the glow and it definitely does something. I'd say that's something. Okay, and now we're just going to press play and check it out. That's a pretty cool effect. Anyways, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.